Welcome to today's trading session. We'll explore what's driving the markets, analyze key setups, and discuss smart strategies for consistent growth.
Alright guys, next up I'll show you how to properly trade one of the most recognizable candlestick patterns, the cup. So I'm opening a 5-minute trade. While it's running, let me break it down for you. I analyze this on the 1-minute time frame, and as the name suggests, the pattern really does resemble a cup. So a dip forms in the charts, and at the base of that we have a pattern. To make it clearer, I'll draw it right on the chart. So you see here it is, the currency pair has formed a smooth arc, and that's a strong reversal signal after a prolonged drop. So the key point is that there must be a steady downtrend before this cup appears, and the pattern, without this, the pattern will not work. The entry point is determined in the zone called the cup handle. Let me draw that for you. Okay, and yes, it literally looks like a handle. It's very hard to miss. So our goal is to wait for the pullback downward and enter a long position at the bottom of this handle. I've got two forming at once, and it's completely normal. So the general shape of the pattern should look something like what I'm marking on the chart right now. The buy entry should only be taken once the handle is fully formed. After that, it's textbook. The trend breaks out and starts surging upwards. So right now I'm catching the lower part of the handle with additional 1-minute contract. So for simplicity, look for a solid level where you expect a bounce. It's not hard. We're specifically targeting the previous consolidation zone, the exact area where the price stalled before breaking upwards. That's it. Don't drag out the contracts. I've opened for 5 minutes because the reversal might not happen instantly. It needs a little time. So honestly, if I spotted this pattern earlier, I'd have traded it on the first handle. But our goal is simple: to snipe entries after the rise, specifically on pullbacks. Do you see a dip? Identify your entry level and go long. The optimal expiration time is 5 minutes, but I also comfortably trade with 1-minute contract. The method isn't new, it's been around for a while. I've already shown it in my Telegram channel to my subscribers and explained how to profit from it. So many have sent me their results, it's there, and it genuinely makes me happy when my guidance helps people achieve consistent income. You can be one of them. All you have to do, subscribe. The link is in the description below. You'll find even more proven patterns and strategies to help you trade consistently and confidently. So the beauty of this is the pattern. It appears everywhere and on any currency pair. And don't worry, if price dips deeper into the level, in fact, the deeper the pullback, the stronger the upward surge. It's called spring. So now about my Telegram channel. Mastering trading isn't a magic button or anything like that. It's a process. You need to structure your knowledge properly to achieve, consistent profits. And you don't need an expensive computer, just a phone, and that's enough to start earning money today. So by the way, too bad, the first 5 minutes contract didn't work out, volatility spiked, and the trade got stopped out. But no big deal, guys. Now I'll show you how to recover the loss and turn it into the profit. Let's go. So if the loss was 1,000 and I opened a trade for 1,500 or even $2,000, going long again right now because I know where the price is heading next. The key, we enter strictly from the level I marked. The reaction is already there. Look at the candle wicks below. They are long, and that's a clear signal that the level is holding. The price is pushing it up. I strongly recommend using pressure zones. Don't trade randomly. This isn't roulette, it's work. Understand this, and you're not here to play games, you're here to make real money. So you have to treat it like your profession. Right now you're training, you must pay attention to the details. So perfect. I almost recovered my loss. Quick recap. I started with $3,000, and despite drawdowns, I have doubled the accounts that I have now. That's the power of disciplined trading with a clear plan. Oh, and this pattern has an inverted version. Works the same way, just mirrored. Let me find one now and show you how to trade it. So okay, we've got the trade here. The logic is exactly the same. Now only the cup is inverted. Here, its main body is here, and next the handle will form. This is our key entry zone. So, but I'm entering earlier. I see the bounce off support. It's happening right now. If price drops lower, there's no problem. I'll scale in more contracts. This is how I hedge in case the first trade doesn't work out. Profit doesn't come from the number of winning trades, but their quality. So forget about counting stars and all that. All you need to do is focused. No need to chase perfection. That's all noise. So for me, productivity is everything, and that's exactly what I teach my subscribers. You can make money without perfect starts. The key is sticking to clear rules and following the plan. So these skills must be developed. You won't get too far without them. Perfect. Meanwhile, I've covered the distance to get back into profit. The handle is starting to form. So remember, this pattern still has an upside potential. From here, it's your call whether wait for price to reach the peak or enter another long. Now I'll see it and break down exactly what I see. So same cup, just upside down. Right now I'm trading in its key section, the so-called handle. That's what I'm going to show you here. So I'm entering on the pullback from support and waiting for the price to reach resistance. That's likely where the next reversal will happen. So it looks like we're nearing completion, just waiting for the reaction of the pressure zone now. In my view, this is one of the best scalping patterns. I've used it many times. It's consistently reliable. The key, so we have to watch the candle wicks closely, analyze their size, direction and color. This will give you the entry signal. The problem is, even with my knowledge, things can go wrong. The market is unpredictable. That is a fact you must accept. To give yourself any kind of safety net, you need to be able to hedge losing trades. A pullback will happen 100% of the time, but it might take longer than expected. So hedging early trades just extends our expiration window. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just a valid strategy. Still, aim for precision entries. And if you're shorting, get in as high as possible to maximize your gains. No way, that was close. See, profit guys, I almost lost the trade, but by a hair's breadth, and it turned around, which is good for us. As you can see, the tension is high, but the rally continues. See, rising volatility is fueling the bullish momentum. That's just wiped out my contracts. Tough break, but no panic. Trading demands ice cold discipline. So resistance is now active, pushing price down, yet upward inertia lingers. Stay composed, control the trade until the very end. I'm 100% confident in this red zone. The delayed reversal, normal. Happens often. Remember, markets are chaotic, patience wins. Guys, never trade this pattern mid-cup. That rounded base means nothing alone. Wait for the handle. Only then is the entry valid. That's exactly how I'm trading here. An unfinished trend cycle can swing either way. Without the pattern score structure, it fails. Went all in on the deposit. Yes, the prolonged price movement is making me sweat, but it played out in my favor. I'm confidently growing my account. These are the final moments where the pattern still works. Soon, we'll see an active drop. The cycle is nearing completion. After that, the chart becomes unpredictable. Typically, a sharp decline when the cup is inverted like mine, but it's not a rule. Honestly, I'm scaling out here. The juiciest part, the handle, has already played out. Markets are cyclical. When you spot this pattern, consider it a full house in your hand. With this card, you can confidently take the pot, but you must know how to play it right, otherwise it is worthless. Think poker, a rookie can lose everything with a killer hand, while pros win with trash, just by reading the game and staying disciplined. Trading is identical. Those who approach markets recklessly lose more than necessary, but those who act calmly in sobriety, patient and cold-headed take every last cent. Let's wrap up the session, guys. So if you enjoyed the video and you want me to make more of this, subscribe, like, share, comment, just do everything to this channel so that we can make more people watch this video and I can make another video for you. Also, the link to my Telegram is in the description below. Subscribe to that. I'll see you guys in the next video.